Guys, you can't expect miracles with small accounts. The key to success in forex trading is trading with big capital. It means that if you want to become profitable, really profitable in the forex industry, you need to trade big accounts. And that's why we have things like prop firms. If you know, we have FTMO, we have My Forex Fund, we have the funded trader. The best is the funded trader. Guys, you can't miss that one out. The funded trader, they have discounts, they have competitions. So even if you don't have the money to trade, you can go in for the competition and you win. And if you win the competition, you get a free account, if you know what I mean. So you can't say that, okay, I can't trade forex or I don't have money to buy those challenges. Come on, man, buy those challenges and start trading forex. I'm very cool with accounts from 10k, 20k, 50k, 100k. Those are good accounts. But if you're managing a small account, like let's say 5k, 1k, $500, it doesn't really help you to grow, because in life, right, you have to think about the big picture. And if you have an opportunity to gain access to a big account, you should go in for it. But the first thing that I want you guys to know, that you must also prove to yourself that you're profitable in forex trading by constantly testing your strategies on demo and on real account. So what I'm saying is that before you want to go in for a funded challenge or to buy a prop firm, first of all, test your strategy on a demo account. Then you test that same strategy on a real account. You can go in for a standard set account with the same, let's say if you're going in, let's say you want to go in for a 100k account, right? You can take like $1,000 and you convert it to 100,000 standard cents and you trade with that same money. So you trade just like you're going to be trading your funded challenge, right? Your funded evaluation challenge, right? You trade the same way. And if you're able to be successful in that platform, in that arena, you're also going to be successful when you're trading real accounts. So the main thing in forex trading is about discipline. If you have a good discipline, a good trading plan, and a good psychology, you can go into the market with your good strategy. You can blow the market and make money from forex trading. There are people making a lot of money from forex trading, and guys, you can't miss someone out. So make sure you hit the link in the description. Join the funded challenge. If you can't buy the account, go in for the competition. And when you go in for the competition, you may end up getting an account for free. So don't miss that opportunity. With that said, thanks for watching. Bye.